Introducing QuickFit from Parker Hannifin. You'll never change oil the same again. That's because QuickFit features an ergonomic design that simplifies the oil change process to make it faster, safer, and cleaner. An easy 3-step process allows you to change the engine and machine oil in less than 30 minutes. QuickFit uses compressed air to purge the oil by pushing it through the filter and into the engine sump. From there, oil is drained directly into the waste containment, allowing for the clean removal of the filter. New oil is pumped into the engine using the same connection point, and that's it, you're done. QuickFit reduces oil change times by 50%. This allows you to keep operating expenses down, productivity up, and most importantly, improve safety conditions for oil changes. Create less consumable waste and eliminate oil leaks and spills by 100%. QuickFit, your solution to cleaner and safer oil changes in under 30 minutes. Visit our website today to learn more and discover a better way to maintain your machine's engine oil.